Hello class 9 children, as you all know, we are doing in part A, that is introduction to IT and IT's industry. Now we were doing the topic IT applications. Now yesterday I told you about certain applications of IT. Now moving on to the rest of the applications. So first is IT in entertainment. Information technology is used in the field of entertainment, in making of movies. IT technology is used, plus in the various things that you watch on the internet, videos, then your various Netflix movies, all these things are just a part of IT. Plus in movie making also, graphics are used, 3D movies are based on IT. So this is about how IT is used in entertainment. Then IT in communication. Now communication is basically the exchange of ideas that we are doing on phone. But with the advent of IT, video calling, audio calling is possible through IT. Not only video and audio calling, email, chatting, all this has been possible through the use of IT. So nowadays, as online classes are taking place, so these are also a mode of communication that is being used through IT. Then IT in business. IT plays a major role in business. How? Once you start a business, now you need your business to be known by people. So what you can do is you can advertise it on internet. So e-commerce websites like Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, Amazon, all these are what? These are business websites that help you to purchase the things online. So IT helps in promoting business. Plus smart cards such as credit card, debit cards, which are used to shop. Just with the help of IT, these cards are used in business. Then IT in science and engineering. Scientists and engineers use computers to perform complex scientific calculations, drawings, designing, testing the designs, then for storing the large amount of data, for performing complex calculations, for rocket launching, space exploration. All these things are not possible without the use of computers. Then IT in banking. As you all know, nowadays we need not go to banks and form large lines or stand in a queue. We just use IT through online banking. We create our account by using the customer ID and password, and then we can make all the transactions sitting at one place. Plus these ATMs, that is your automated teller machines, they are also using IT for cash deposit and withdrawal. Then IT in marketing. Now marketing basically means selling your products. So computers are used for advertising of products by using arts and graphics facility. It is possible to create interesting advertisement of various products. Basically the goal is to sell the products and customers can buy them. So these e-commerce websites like Flipkart, Amazon, they are helpful in marketing the product and people can purchase them sitting at home. And then IT in healthcare. IT is used in the healthcare industry in numerous ways. With the help of IT, we are able to computerize the various tests that are used in healthcare industry. Then use of various machines that can be CT scan machines or electrocardiograms or your ultrasound machines. They are all using computers. Then complex operations are performed using computers. So your IT not only helps in diagnosis of a disease. With the help of expert system, diseases can be diagnosed at a very early stage and then patients can be given treatment accordingly. So MRI machines, then your electrocardiogram, electroencephalogram, blood sugar testing machines, BP testing machines, they are all using IT. Then your next is IT in government and public services. Now the government uses large-scale computer applications in its daily operations, basically through e-governance practices. You can visit the websites, the passport office website, and make an online appointment. Need not go to the passport office exactly. Similarly, for creating any driving license, you can take the form online and then take a printout and deposit it. The income tax department, the sales tax department, all these are helping you to pay the payments online. Preparation of PAN card makes use of a computer system. Many government services are available online. For example, payment of electricity bills, water bills, all this is possible through IT. So various government services have been made easy to access using the IT. So that is all about IT applications, and with this IT application we finish this chapter, that is Introduction to IT and IT's industry. I'll be giving you notes of this topic. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.